Short Read 2. Remember to annotate as you read.
Helen Keller, Words Through Touch. A childhood illness left Helen Keller deaf and blind. One of the ways she learned about the world was through touch. This is what she wrote. Once there were 11 tadpoles in a glass globe set in a window full of plants. It was great fun to plunge my hand into the bowl and feel the tadpoles brisk about. One day, a more ambitious fellow leaped beyond the edge of the bowl and fell on the floor. I found him more dead than alive, but no sooner had he returned to his element than he darted to the bottom, swimming round and round. Then he went to live in the leafy pool at the end of the garden.